Okay, and we are live on YouTube.
Cool. Looks like it's going to bounce off of the DM2 again. What we got for tomorrow? So we got 8:30 tomorrow.
Yeah, what do we have? U of M,
Then we got a orange fold at 10 o'clock.
U of M consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock. Yeah, we've got GDP, no, core PCE. That's the Fed's favorite measure of inflation. So what are we doing? We're going to break through the DM2 here.
It just needs a little momentum to get there. It's been trying. We're at the day's low,
Yeah,
so a little bit momentum might get us there.
got a little support right below it here on the 1 minute.
Yeah,
And also on the 15-minute bet, we might be able to make a little trade in between there.
yeah, yeah. This looks like we got a little space.
I
Going
think I'm
down.
in.
I'm in. Yep.
I got out with -10. I accidentally clicked out. I didn't mean to. You still in?
Yeah, I'm still in.
I think I'll get back in.
I had like 20 something and it went to 0 because I was looking at my Ringo instead of at the price. See if it comes back. Give it an opportunity to come back.
A lot of reasons it ain't Jesus, but the main one is it ain't coming back.
Yeah. You're in?
Yeah, I mean,
I think that was just profit taking.
Jesus.
Yeah, it actually went up. Now it's under the DM2. Let's see if the DM2 can act as a resistance on it. possible.
Yeah, that's my hot stove exit right there.
You're out.
Gonna have to get out if it doesn't turn around right now.
Come on, give us a little bit more. That's all we need. There it is.
It's gonna take what little you can get, or you're gonna try to get some.
I'm gonna try and get out because I don't like the way it's moving. It's not like giving us the whole, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Let's
no,
come back down to
I
16.
took 20.
Yeah, me too. It's too iffy. A little
Yep.
bit up, a little bit down, a little bit up, a little bit down. There's no momentum behind it. It- let's see, Brinko look like it wants to give some momentum now. Let's see.
Let me get back in.
Wait, one confirmation. Hold on. It's at the bottom of the channel. I think I am. Just 1 second. Yeah, I'm in. I broke the support on the 1 minute. That's a good sign. But it's still jerking us around. Here we go again. Hmm. See if it breaks this. There's no reason why it's not dropping.
I know. No volume in the market.
Mm-mm. It still should be at least creeping down. If it
Yeah.
doesn't want to give us a push, it should at least creep down. You
Yeah.
know,
Yeah.
this thing don't even want to do that.
Come on, Jules.
Getting close to my hot stove exit. This is where it turned around before, though. It said DM3 is pulling it like a magnet back to it.
Yeah.
What is so what above the DM2 and below the SWS1? Not a lot of room either way, I guess.
Getting close to my have to pull the trigger to get out.
Yeah.
I don't really trust that it's coming back at this point.
Well, I would at least let it hit the DM2, see if it bounces back off it like it did earlier. It acted like resistance. Hmm. All right, so we're back up to the DM2. If it breaks that, getting out. You're still in it, right?
Yep.
What broker, the account that I'm having that shows what broker is that?
The account that what?
Your account. Is that with LMFX or that with Plexi?
My account's with Plexi.
All right. Rinko looks like it's preparing for a drop. Just needs some momentum behind it. Get ready. Going.
Just need one pip.
Mm-hmm. That's all it takes. You might take the loss as opposed to it going back up again. And there's 2 or 3 pips down. Still like what the wrinkle looks like, but let's just see what it wants to do. Here we come. Come on. Here it goes. Just need a little more. Oh, you
Ah,
fucker. You fucker. And that's something we right there.
yeah. What's it gonna do?
How much you negative?
100.
I'm at 100 even. I might just take it if it doesn't turn around.
Yeah.
Cause this is a nightmare. Easy to go up, hard to come down. Let's see what it wants to do. There we go.
God
I
damn.
got out of my Top Step account with $20 profit. And then I looked over to get out of my other one that was break even and it went $100 negative that quick.
Yeah. I think I should just get out.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out with you. If it goes, maybe it come back to 100 and get us out. I don't like the wrinkles pointing upward, so it's kind of an iffy spot, which I don't like the way it looks.
Yeah.
Pointing down now. I think I'm prepared to take this $100 loss. It might come down, but it could go back up $300. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's see. Comes back to 100. Come down just a little more. 80, 50. All right. 20. I'm out with break even.
That was 20.
Nice. Yeah, I was pulling teeth. We should have been in that,
Yeah.
you know. See something.
Time did we take that? That one took a while.
Hmm.
We took that trade at three
And now
minutes
it's coming down.
after
It
8.
could have paid us.
Yeah.
Now made a lower low, which is what we should have been waiting on. But it's got resistance on the 5 minute and 15 minute. See what happens at 8:30.
It breaks through the support on the Renko. You think, no, no, we've got another support here on the 15-minute Hakanashi
Hmm.
and the daily pivot and the weekly pivot.
Yep.
Well, the hourly anyway.
Right on the 15-minute and the 5-minute
Yeah.
and the daily pivot chart, the big support. It might blow through that support though down to 3308.
Yeah, that'll be down to the DS1.
Hmm. But I don't see it happening because the momentum just ain't there unless they come in.
Right. Man, can you believe we got ripped off for those screen extenders for 50 bucks?
Yeah, man. Ain't that crazy? People, man, ain't shit.
Yeah.
We ain't shit because to think that we were gonna get them
Yeah.
for that kind of money, we know 6-year-olds were making them somewhere.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's funny. One day we're gonna wake up. It's gonna be they're there.
Well, I'm a professional trader now.
29th. Sunday's the 29th, right?
Hmm?
Sunday's the 29th.
I've made it my personal mission to be one of the best traders.
You do it.
Yeah.
So Monday's the first. No, Monday's the 30th. Tuesday's the first. We got a holiday coming up. That's going to screw us up for that week. But that's the 8:30,
Yep.
and it did nothing.
Yeah, I say if nothing's happening at 9, we call it.
Yeah.
We're seeing all of this weakness in gold versus the dollar here on the FX Blue. We've got FX trend pretty much all red except the bottom three.
Hmm.
We've got the yen pointing straight down. This should be going down.
Always, but it's not doing anything.
Well, if you want, we could just call it. I'll be up for the London session, and then I'll see you on New York if you're up for it.
All right. Yeah, ain't nothing happening here. It's no momentum. For 8:30 to not even breathe a simple candle. Hold on. See?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's nothing happening here.
fucking summer trading.
Yeah. I get some rest, man. Be fresh in the morning. All
All
right.
right, I'm going to trade London and
Cool.
I'm going to trade New York.
All right. Leave a link for London because I might get up and trade it. All right.
Okay, let's just use
All
the
right.
same
Cool.
link
Yeah. Leave the same
right
link.
now.
All right, man.
Okay,
Peace. You got it.
I'll be on at I guess 3 a.m. your time.
You got it. Peace.
Okay, see ya.